Hey guys! It's your girl Malaya! Hey! Hey guys, it's your girl Malaya back with another video. So today I'm at my absolute favorite place, DM Performance. We're gonna be doing a little bit of upgrade on my exhaust. As you guys know, I was trying to transform my 135 to 1M-ish. So I had to change the front and the bumper, but as you guys can see, the old exhaust is just doesn't line up. So I had to order a new exhaust from Alibaba. Stop saying negative things because I feel like all car parts coming from
China.
But what other shops do, they just, put a little emblem and, making it seem like they did it here, which is absolute wrong. So I'm gonna do a little bit of unboxing right now, and I'm gonna show you the entire exhaust. But as of now, you can take a look at this one. This is Alibaba, guys. Look at the welding. Welding is, it looks pretty good. I don't see any messing up on the welding as of now. So far, everything looks good. Ooh, give me that. Давай. Good, thank you. Look at that. Okay. So it's a lot of pipes. We're gonna be piping today, and we're gonna install it. I will also make a video before how the car sounds right now, and after we're gonna install this bad boy. Take a look at this piece. It's very beautiful. Tips you're not going to be able to change because it's welded, but the welding is beautiful. The overall quality is fantastic. So I'm not gonna unpack that part. This one, I want you to check it out again. Just look at the details. Look at the details. Love it. Absolutely love it. Some companies selling these pieces for like triple more of the price. Here we have all the wires for the exhaust. It's gonna be open close valve. This remote is reminding me something not good. But this remote is beautiful. It's pretty heavy. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Or you are ready? I'm so excited. You absolutely have no idea. Okay, I'm gonna be a little helper in here. I've never changed the exhaust. It's gonna be my first time. First time for everything. Oh, oh. Yeah, I wanted to kind of do it myself, but as of now, it looks kind of a little complicated, but it's kind of easy. And it's dirty. Okay. Oh, the big boss. The big boss.
You're the big boss. How are you?
Hi, good to see you.
You too.
We're already halfway done.
Nice. You gotta make sure you work under pressure.
Stop it.
I'm not doing anything.
Stop.
I'm mentally gonna do it.
Stop. And go.
Action.
Action.
So, I have no idea what we did. We did a lot, so many things on this car. This car hates me, I think. But, yeah, we got quite a few things done. We had to do a valve cover because the turbo was creating too much back pressure, crankcase pressure, and ended up messing up the valve cover. So we did the valve cover under warranty. What is she doing behind me? Put a catch can so that doesn't happen again, and kind of relieves pressure a little bit better than just the original valve cover. We did a couple of sensors. This time the DME ended up being shorted out. It was giving a false signal to one of the sensors, and I think that was it, right? Am I wrong? Was there anything else? Studs. The studs were completely seized. That's how they got the car. They bought the car from somebody else, and with the wheels and the studs, and some idiot put the gun right through the studs and hammer it in as much as they could without torquing. And that was the first problem that the car gave me, taking the studs out. Because the studs is already hard enough. You can't get anything in there. Once the nut strips, it's a pain in the ass to get it out. But we managed to get it out. It was like 4 or 5 of them. Not just one, like 4 or 5. So we got that out. We replaced the studs with nuts, the ones that were messed up. So that's taken care of.
Manifold?
Oh, yes. Good one. I'm probably going to send you some pictures and maybe that video so you can put it in the video and show them my frustration a little bit. When I was doing it, I was like, fuck this, fuck my life.
Oh, I see
beep that.
video.
Yeah, beep that out of the video. You're good. That's the bolt that's broken. It's supposed to be a bolt there, but it's not center. Whoever fucking did the starter on the car, because it looks like that's the reason why they took the intake manifold out. That starter is not original. It's a value starter. So whoever did that, whoever replaced that, fucking cross-threaded that shit in, and it's snapped coming out. It's fucking seized in there because they fucking cross-threaded the shit out of it. Now I'm gonna have to fuck myself and try to get that out somehow. Yeah, had to take the manifold out because the DME is under the manifold. So taking that out looks like somebody did a starter because the starter looks new to me, and that's the only reason somebody would take the manifold out other than replacing the DME or doing walnut blasting, which is not really a big problem on the N55s. But the first bolt right on the left side, because there's one bolt and all the other ones are studs, that one bolt, they cross-threaded the shit out of it, and coming out snapped right out. So I was able to grab it on it because it broke like this much, probably like a ½ inch out of the cylinder head. So I was able to grab it with a couple of tools, but since it was so tight in there, it just kept breaking until there was nothing left. So what I had to do was I had to drill it and re-tap, sealing everything obviously so no metal shavings would get inside the engine, but managed to fix that. But it was hell. It took me all day just to do that one thing. And then ended up being the wrong DME, because I did have a DME here with me, but it ended up being from an N55, but not E series, because this is an E body, and the one I had was for a F body. And F body, the EWS communicates different with the DME, so ended up not working. You wouldn't recognize the DME. So I told them to get another DME. They got me another DME. Ended up being wrong again. I think they made the same mistake I did, or maybe it was from an E series, but just the serial number was different. So I ended up doing some research on it. There's like 2 or 3 types of different DMEs you could get for the E series itself, and you have to get the exact number. So I got the exact number, and then we finally got the DME that belongs to the car and was able to put it in and fix that problem. But now we do have another problem, which I don't think I'll mention in the video, but we're still chasing that one problem. But the main 2 problems that I wanted to get rid of are away. So yeah, right now we're just doing some bolt-on exhaust and dual exhaust tips, or quad, right? Quad exhaust tips and the trim, and that should be it.
What would I do without you?
Thank you.
Tell me.
Appreciate it.
Cheers to that. Guys, if you want some action in your life, get BMW. Trust me.
Yeah.
You're gonna have so much fun.
I have a lot of action in my life. I don't recommend.
So Doc is doing his little magic, because as you guys remember, I had a single exhaust and I had a hook from the old one, but for the second part I don't have it. So, but it's not an issue because that will make everything work. So he'll hook it up here with something else. Let's see how it's gonna work. I feel like this guy will make everything work. Am I right?
Yeah.
High five to that.
Always.
High five to that. Yeah. Yo, stop! You scared the shit out of me.
I like it.
All right, so we're gonna start up the car. I was born ready. Let's go. Valve, is it open?
I think so. Yeah, the remote.
Let's hear it. Closed. I was not expecting that either. That was so loud. Closed.
That works good now.
Send it, send it. Here she comes. My beautiful little bug. Let's go, baby. Oof. Oof. Wow. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Fire. Wow. I'm in love. Fire.
Sick.
Thank you so much. You're the best.
You're the best.
All right, guys, it's time to wrap up the video. So this is it, what I was doing today. I have a little more things to do, so you gotta stay tuned. And if you guys want a link for the exhaust, I'm gonna drop in the video. Overall, the exhaust is fantastic. I would say it's even better than in some companies. I guess it's a different seller on the Alibaba. And it's definitely not expensive. I was waiting for the shipment for maybe about like 3 to 4 weeks. I'm not quite sure. I don't remember, to be honest. But let me tell you, the wait time is totally worth it. All right, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Like, subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.